Umfanekiso wevideo ukhombisa izisulu ziphoqwa ukuba zenze imikhuba ezehlisa isithunzi kanti futhi abanye babonakala bedwetshiswe umuqa begqoke impahla zangaphansi kuphela. Estatementeni sabo abaphathi balendawo bayavuma ukuthi lesigameko senzeka endaweni yabo yebhizinisi kepha abachazi ukuthi kwagcina kwenzakaleni kulaba ababonakala behlukunyezwa. Bathi akusiwo amakhasimende ahluleke ukukhokha futhi akusibo abasebenzi kodwa izigebengu okubikwa ukuthi zazebe omakhalekhukhwini kuyo le ndawo. Umeluleki wezengqondo uthi kuzoba nzima ukuba laba abahlukunyezwa kulesigameko bakhohlwe okwabehlela.
They have to live with the absolute unnatural shocks and brutality they were subjected to. And I don't know whether they have any opportunity to process what they experienced. The shame, the woundedness, physical and importantly psychological, will follow them for the rest of their lives.
Okhulumela amaphoyisa uAthlenda Mathe uthi yize beziqhelelanisa nalesigameko abaphathi balendawo yokuyithokozisa nabo banecala ngoba abawabikelanga amaphoyisa.
We would have expected of a responsible business owner to report these acts of criminality to the police. So it does seem though that the owner and others at this particular establishment knew about such incidents and kept this information from the police. They failed to report a crime that they would have known of or they would have allegedly witnessed.
Amaphoyisa aseBrooklyn ePitoli aqinisekisile ukuthi akekho oseke wababikela ngalokhu kanti alikho icala elivuliwe mayilana nalesi sigameko.